Day 9 in self-isolation. Saturday the 28th of March. Harry, how's your day been today?
Good.
Good? Why has it been good?
Because I've been playing football, bouncing on the trampoline, and tidying up the playroom, and I've been chopping Daddy's hair off. All of it off so it's bald.
Yeah.
And I've been cleaning the cars.
What do we clean it with?
The machine gun.
A big machine gun, that's what you call it, isn't it? Yeah.
Water sprayer.
Yep.
But it looks like a machine gun.
What else? What are we going to do now?
Watch a film. So first, the film's called Coco, and if I've watched it before, and it's quite good.
Cool. So,
we're getting our pajamas on and then watching Coco.
If you were going to give today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish and 10
I don't even
is
have
brilliant,
to think.
what would it be
8.
today?
8 again?
Okay.
Again.
See
Every day, 8.
you tomorrow.
See you in the morning.